Hello friends, this is the third tutorial, which is also the last tutorial, in which you are going to learn furthermore and design your final steps regarding this to-do app. So we are defining this type of the app type and the paragraph. This is the demo paragraph or the dummy data, which I placed it over here, and now we then test. It will appear like this. We want to make it in center, so there's a class name from Bootstrap called as text center. Here all the content is in center and it's look beautiful as well. So in the next portion we are going to define a div with class name container. Here we have a row. Now then we are going to define the breakpoints in a div called lg12, but at this time we are not going to define it call lg12. We want to define it in such a series that it will show up call lg6. Here I will going to test you out at what is going on. Hello 1, this is hello 1, and this is hello 2. So what is the result right now? We have this is the result. By mistake, if we change the class name to or we mistake in our class name, the proper layout will not going to be appear. As you can see, Bootstrap is the name of layout designing. Now it is fully adjusted to layout, and here we are going to put label for add items, and here we are going to define input, which is text, and placeholder as swimming, and class name which is defined by Bootstrap form control, and the button for adding item when you press the button to add item in the list of items, and item. There is a class name defined by Bootstrap button btn, and another for designing it for design the button as button primary. There are many several different classes. I will give you information about it right now. And as you can see, this is all the design, and here I am going to apply breaks. This is the break, and this is look beautiful right now. We have to work further for it to make it more amazing for the development process. Okay, we are going to define here h1 list items. Now we have to adjust, yeah, list items. Okay, then we are going to define a table. For this we are going to, for this we have yeah, this table, control F, right, table. Yeah, these are the tables. We want this because we have this in our code and you want this, copy it and paste it here. Now let's search out what is the result we got. This is the result. As you can see that everything goes beautiful with the template already out. We have items, we have a complete button, complete, complete button, and we have a delete button.